So you are complaining that there is no money, there's no money. But do you know that a lot of people are still cashing out on your misfortune? I hope you will agree with me on this one. Inflation still brings opportunities for us to cash out, make money. From the records, everybody is feeling the heat right now. Things are going way up, and people are complaining there is no money, there is no money. But a lot of people, a lot of businesses are cashing out on your misfortune. The only thing that you need is just to be very, very smart about this. Businesses are shrinking, businesses are declining, but people are still making money. So, how come? Anything that you're doing in this life, you actually need to be very, very smart about it. And these businesses are not like, okay, saying this one is in season. These businesses are going to be selling from January to December. Guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing 8 smart businesses that will always thrive during inflation. The number one business I'm going to be sharing right now with you is to start an e-commerce business and online business. Some of these businesses are cost effective, and that is why I will always choose e-commerce business and online business over anything, any business right now, any small business right now. This is the buying and selling of items, products, services online. And no matter where you are, you can sell these particular products. Even if you travel, the other time I traveled to Bayelsa, I was still able to make some sales. You need an assistant to help you in case you are not around. If you don't have money to rent shop, to do some overhead costs, you can start e-commerce business. The only thing that you need to do is to find fast selling products that you can promote. And if you are if you have a physical shop and you're not incorporating your business with online, online business, posting stuffs online, you need to start doing that today. So e-commerce business, online business is one of the best businesses that you can actually start right now. People are shopping online more, and there are more audience online. We have millions of people that are shopping online. E-commerce business has helped a lot of people to overcome different things. Even if you want to start creating content today, it is very, very possible. YouTube, Facebook, and other places, you can monetize and do other kinds of online business. And number two business that you can actually start, or that will always thrive doing inflation, is real estate. Now you can see that the rent has gone so much high. People will still rent houses. People are still buying houses. People are still, doing lots of things, building. The cost of the cement is still high, and people are still buying. Investors are still investing. People are getting their shares of their investments, and the thing has gone twice up. So real estate business, those that are into real estate business will always make money in this particular, time, inflation time. And the next business that you can actually cash out during inflation is what? Renting and leasing business. Renting and leasing business is one of the businesses that will always thrive during inflation. People don't have money to buy new items. Whether you're renting tools, you're renting equipment, you're renting vehicles, these particular items will definitely, make you money, guys. Imagine, okay, you are into events. You actually rent event products. People are still planning events. They're still doing events upon things are hard. Things are costly, but people are still living their life. That there is inflation doesn't mean that people will never live their life. So it's left for you to be smart and go into what will make you money, guys. So renting and leasing business is actually a good business to start, and it will always thrive during inflation. People don't have money to buy some of these particular products, and they know that they will only use it once. So why buy and keep them and store them? It doesn't make sense. And number four business that will always thrive is farming. Farming products you will eat, and other people will eat as well. So farming your own crops and as well selling them is a good business. So if you have a plot of land or you want to take a lease on a particular land, you can actually start that particular business. Farm crops, cash crops, plantain, potato, yam, maize, all these particular crops, vegetables especially, they're going to make you money. If you like farming crops, they are going to make you money. People will always eat now, guys. And the next business, number 5, is essential goods. There are things that people cannot live without. Even if you don't need them, another person needs it. selling foodstuff, healthcare, skincare products. All these particular items, they are necessity, and people will always want them. No matter the inflation, people always want to look good. If you're into laundry service, people wash their clothes so that they can be neat. And some people don't know how to wash that particular clothes, so they need to send it to laundry services. Makeup artists, people always want to look good for their programs. Events are still going on, photo shoots are still going on. So if you know how to do some of these things, fashion designing, people are still sewing clothes for programs, outfits for school, different kinds of occasions. People are still doing some of these things, doing inflection. What again? Any services like financial services that you are rendering, even POS services, people are still cashing out, taking money from POS right now. And the next business that you can actually launch that will always thrive during inflation is what? Freelancing jobs and consulting jobs. Services. These are online business. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can use freelancing sites or social media to promote yourself. If you know how to do photography, you know how to do editor, you know how to do coding, you are good in all of this, and to create websites and even apps. Virtual assistants, you will find them there. This is one of the businesses that people are doing right now. Put yourself in different platforms for freelancing jobs. You can write. You know, these things are working, guys. It's not a joke. So put yourself in Upwork, Fiverr, Google Jobs, Flex Jobs. There are different sites that you can promote yourself. You can use TikTok, you can use Facebook, you can use Instagram and promote yourself. Other business that will always thrive doing inflation is what? Subscription services. Subscription services depend on the plan. People will always use any subscription services that is necessary to them, that will work for their business and for their whole being. People subscribe to different kinds of services. So if you can offer subscription services to people, you would definitely make money. People are subscribing to Decoder, they're subscribing to MTN, they're subscribing to different plans or programs, mail plans, different things, valuables that can add value to them, things that they need. People will always subscribe to that. And the next one is number 8, business that will always thrive doing inflation is repairs and refurbishments. I remember 2 months ago, my phone, the screen got broken and I need to repair that. And when I got there, they called, mentioned up to 40K. And I said, in fact, I don't have money for that. I need to buy a new phone. They told me, Madam, this your phone is very, very expensive. For you to buy a new one right now, so what do? I had to repair. People that are into repairs, refurbishments are making good money. So if you know how to repair phone, you know how to repair laptops, you know how to do different kinds of repairs, refurbishments, this will always thrive in this inflation time. That there is inflation doesn't mean that people are not making money right now. So we all just need to use the opportunity, that is in front of us and make money. Businesses are shrinking. I agree with you. But people are still making money. All you need to do is to be very, very smart about this. If you're looking to start a business or you don't know which way to go, these particular businesses that I am going to mention it right now are going to help you, understand, to build up your business and know the direction to go right now. Guys, if you enjoy watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. It's a baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beats. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Put your comment section. Give this video a like, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.